get some cheese?
What kind would you like?
Oh boy.
We got Jack, Provolone, and Colby Jack. Cheese, sir.
Thanks. Oh boy.
Hard to cut.
Oh.
Cheese.
Who you texting?
Goofy wants to hang out tonight.
Oh boy.
Yay!
Maybe we can hang out some other night. I'm gonna have to work late tonight, honey. Probably won't get home till about 8. Eddie? Hey, leave your shirt in the door. Eddie? Go on up there.
Doors, Mickey!
This is not what it looks like. I'm getting a divorce. I gotta get a divorce.
You can't get a divorce because you say she's crazy.
I didn't say she was crazy. I said she was fucking goofy.
She must have done something really bad for you to want to get a divorce. Snap out of it. You can't get a divorce because everything in the magical kingdom will be hers.